All right, so we talked about construction, and construction is really what's going to set us apart from the competition. We are talking about that overall quality and then essentially into your value story. And this is a quick cutout just showing the construction that we have here at Legends Home on our upholstery. So it's CNC cut hardwood plywood frame, and so it fits together like a puzzle piece. So every single little notch is going to add that extra security and strength to our frames. You're going to have your sinuous spring um, at the base of your seat, and then Pirelli webbing in the back. And then in your cushions over here, we're going to have your high density foam, and actually it's going to be pocketed coils. You can't see that from our little cutout. And it's just going to provide that resiliency and bounce back and keep its shape over time. We really are committed to having a well-built frame, a well-finished frame, one that is going to last for a long time so you don't have service issues on the back end. We want your customer to enjoy their purchase from Legends Home, and the only time you hear about their experience with a Legends Home product is how positive it was. We don't want any service issues, so Legends Home is the way to buy your upholstery.